Hello and welcome to Einfach Englisch. This video is about the present progressive. We find out how to build the present progressive and when to use it. We take a look at normal statements, negations and questions. Let's start with normal statements. To build the present progressive, you need the correct form of to be, a verb, and the ending ing. This might look like a lot, but it's fairly easy. An example sentence in the first person singular would look like this: I am reading a book. The only aspect you have to take care of is that you use the correct form of to be. In terms of using the ing, there are two additional rules. Number one, you leave out a silent E, for example in the words make, come or dance. There is no E. Rule number two, if you have a stressed vowel, so A, E, I, O or U, the following consonant is doubled. This is important, for example, for the verbs running, getting or stopping. Once you know that, negations and questions are no problem anymore. For negations, you do nothing but use the negative form of to be. Like this, the sentence I am reading a book becomes I am not reading a book. You just use the negative form of to be. For other forms, you turn are into aren't and is into isn't. What about questions? They work basically just like normal sentences. You just swap the person and the form of to be. Our example sentence, I am reading a book, as a question would then be, am I reading a book? If you have a question word, so where, when, how or why, for example, you put it at the beginning of the sentence. Where am I reading a book? So far, so good. Now that we know how to use the present progressive, let's find out when to use it. You use the present progressive to express what is happening at the moment. If you say, Lucas is reading a book, he's doing it right now. The second option where you use the present progressive is to talk about fixed plans in the future. For example, we are seeing the match on Sunday. Apart from this, the present progressive is used to describe what's happening in pictures. In this picture, for example, you can use the present progressive to say the teacher is pointing at the board, the student on the right is reading a book, and the student on the left is looking at the chair next to him. And basically, that's all you need to know about the present progressive. If the video helped you, give it a thumbs up. See you next time.